Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1984 Porsche 944. This example has 156,000 miles. It's in nice shape inside and out. It has every single record from new. Recent timing and balance shaft belts. Tires are in good shape. Everything works properly. It does have a lovely brown vinyl and striped cloth interior. Very little wear on the seats. Door panels are nice overall. It does have a cracked dash, hence the pad. All the gauges work properly. Has an aftermarket stereo. I don't really care for how it looks, but it works nice. It has hot heat, cold AC. Headliner, all of that is good. Sunroof also works properly. Rear seats are in, well, this part's in nice shape. It's worn on the top. But it starts right up, shifts through all gears really nice, has a good power band. Super fun car. Oh, and it has Willwood calipers up front. But it's a great driving, well-maintained example for a very nice price. So there you have it, our 1984 Porsche 944.